So, remember I made that video? And then I told you we were going to do a house tour of Galveston. And then James is right here.
Hello, Dad.
And we were going to do a house tour. So, this is James' bed.
My bed. This is our room. Me and John Michael's room.
Me in my room.
I have my Pokemon binder here, my iPad's in the living room.
I'm going right here and I'm showing you the room.
In our bathroom, we have the weirdest bath.
The weirdest shower. Look at that. But that's actually not for a shower.
So it's kind of a bath.
That's for a shower, but this is like
The walls are extremely long.
That's for a bath.
Show how low the walls are.
I know. Look how low the walls are.
No, like not right here. Like right here.
Oh yeah. Look right there. You can only like put it up to like right here.
Here's the restroom.
And this is me and James's. And that's
Bathroom. This
the
is mine.
other-
This is his.
No,
Well, basically, my mom took over this bathroom.
we're sharing this sink.
True.
And then James's mom is
Is in here.
going that. That's their bedroom. Oh yeah, we had a code, but we don't know the code of this door. I'm not gonna show you the code. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom. The living room. Over there. And this is like kitchen, dining room. This is the kitchen. And James, come on, James, come here.
This is where Pinkman lives.
This is where my
Show
mom,
YouTube where Pinkman lives.
my mom is sleeping right here.
No, you show YouTube
And
where
back to
Pinkman lives.
our room. And there's a toilet right there.
I need to show YouTube where Pinkman lives.
Oh yeah, I will show you where like this.
You want me to open the
this
door in front of YouTube?
No, and like the secret door, like right here.
You want me to open this?
Yes, open it. Okay, so we'll get views.
This is for the views.
Oh my
There's a secret door into the bar.
The secret door.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Come on, neighbor. We can't.
There's
do
a
it.
secret door under the bar.
I'm going to. Yeah.
Where is it?
Where's it?
Oh, here. Maybe.
My neighbor.
That's it.
I didn't drill. This is the kitchen that I already showed.
I work on Sunday too. I don't know where it is.
What is this for?
This, I don't know, but James is looking for something.
No. Is it that little tiny cabinet?
It's a little.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not anything good.
And this is a bathroom. I can't. Okay.
I wish I could.
Turkey, they match you. Yeah, you're
Hey James, I'm doing this for you.
That smells like throw up.
I like
Don't
that.
smell in there.
I'm not smelling.
Elizabeth.
What are you gonna do?
I'm showing the balcony. We're having
Outside?
We're
The
at
outside.
the beach. We're going to Galveston.
Go on down to
No, we're just going out to just do something, you know. James, we have to pipe in the path again. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain. This is the beach over there.
Our little hole.
Our hole right there. Rattlesnakes live.
And they're called the dunes.
Yeah,
There's a little pathway right there that we get to.
and then you get down by going the stairs.
Oh, and by the way, YouTube, this is not our beach house. We rented this.
Yeah, this is not our beach
We rented
house.
this.
We just rented it.
We can show YouTube down here.
Here? Even though I don't have like shoes. James. Did you see that secret door by that door?
Yeah.
There's a secret door right there.
Where?
Right there. Do not open it.
I know.
You want to show them the beach?
I'm so tempted to open it. No, Jane. Do not.
James, this one.
Okay, let's show them a better view of the beach.
Let's show them the beach.
We're downstairs.
We're downstairs.
Our beach house is brown.
Okay, we cannot show the license plate. Because they'll rob us.
There's rattlesnakes in there, holes all in the sand.
I have to rewatch the video and see if it's showing the license plate or not. And out here, there's waves out there. I'm going up here. I'll show you our hole that we did. It's
This is our big hole.
there's a hole right here, and there's a chain reaction. There's a hole right here, and then we made a little trap thing. That's the hot tub that we're gonna put water in. I don't think we're finished with it yet.
We're not really finished.
And we're finished with the pool. There's a lot of roots in there. It's not dirt, it's just roots. And
I can hold the camera if you want me to.
no.
Okay.
And
The dunes, rattlesnakes. You gonna go over there?
No, we can't go over there. Well, viewers, I might do that
And
today at. Oh my gosh! I stepped on a nail.
So you did it.
Well, I actually did, but I when I felt it, I put my. So.
Are we gonna? Oh no.
So the next video, which is we're gonna post it at 3.
But it'll come out at maybe at like
Because the
5.
sun is coming out
It
at
might come
3.
out at like 5.
At 3
Wait, are
o'clock.
we on a different time zone here?
Yeah, I think so.
We might be at a. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask my
We
mom.
might have a different time zone. I don't know what time it is right now, but we're posting.
I'll show you on my.
I'll show you the beach at.
It's 12:34.
Okay, so I'm gonna post another video in 3 hours.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I just need to sit up a little bit. I'm sorry, I can't show you guys our license plates.
Wait.
Oh.
We'll show the. Okay.
Oh my. What? It scared me for some reason. Okay.
So that's
it.
Oh wait, I want to show you two one thing. This is the shower down here,
Oh yeah.
like where you get the sand off.
You get the sand
You
out?
want to go back down there and show them?
No. I'm just gonna show them from right here. The shower
That's showing you.
is right.
I have a better view right here.
Okay, right here and there. Oh, I can't really show you guys, but it's really hard.
Let me show you.
I might show you in the next video.
Okay, yeah. We might have a little part two
And
of the beach.
when we got here, these seashells.
We got free
seashells. And right here, and yep. See you guys in 3 hours. Remember, subscribe,
Like, comment.
and turn on the notification bell.
Please, guys,
Please,
subscribe.
please, please. Bye.
Bye.